Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2006 Fontaine aluminum combo. It's 36'6" by 102 with a universal mounting kit on the back of this unit. Folks, this unit has brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, beam condition, has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate is in excellent condition. Aluminum combo, the deck with wood nailing strips in good shape. As we come down the passenger side, it has a brand new buyer's toolbox, brand new rubber brakes and drums, steel inner rims with aluminum outer. Folks, brand new rubber all the way around this unit, spring ride suspension, universal mounting kit on the back end of this unit. Will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, a Load Mac, and many other brands. As we come to the driver's side, as I said, aluminum outer rim with steel inner, brand new brakes and drums, brand new rubber. Beautiful unit, folks. 2006 36'6" Fontaine. Very nice unit. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at all of our trailers and trucks that are available for sale. Our piggyback forklifts, Moffett, Princeton, and Load Max available. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.